The mystery of the vanishing tax refund. Picture this. You're dreaming of that big, juicy tax refund, maybe a vacation, a shopping spree, or just paying off some bills. But then, bam, your refund is smaller than expected, or worse, you owe money. What happened? Tax mistakes, my friend. They're sneaky, costly, and totally avoidable if you know what to watch for. Stick with me till the end, because I'm revealing the most common refund-wrecking mistakes and how to keep every dollar you deserve. 1. Entering incorrect personal information. Let's start with the basics. Your name, social security number, and bank details must be correct. A single typo can delay your refund for weeks or months. Before hitting submit, triple-check everything. How to avoid it? Use your exact name as it appears on your social security card. Double-check your SSN, bank routing, and account numbers. If filing jointly, ensure your spouse's details match government records. 1. Overlooking income sources. That side gig you forgot about? The IRS didn't. Every income stream, whether from freelancing, stocks, or rental properties, needs to be reported. If the IRS finds missing income, you'll get a correction notice, and possibly a bill. How to avoid it? Collect all tax forms, W-2s, 1099s, etc., before filing. Use tax software or an accountant to ensure you include everything. Keep a record of all cash payments received throughout the year. 1. Not claiming all deductions. You deserve. Many taxpayers miss out on huge deductions, leaving free money on the table. Things like home office expenses, education credits, and medical costs can significantly lower your tax bill. How to avoid it? Track deductible expenses all year. Don't wait until tax season. Claim eligible tax credits, child tax credit, earned income credit, etc. Use a tax professional if unsure. You might be missing thousands. 1. Filing too early or too late. Filing early can be great, but doing it too soon might mean missing key documents. On the flip side, filing late can result in penalties and a delayed refund. How to avoid it? Wait until you have all necessary tax forms before filing. Mark important tax deadlines on your calendar. If needed, file an extension, but don't ignore your tax bill. Are you tax ready? Let's test your tax savviness. Comment below. What's the biggest tax mistake you've made, or almost made? Share your stories and let's learn from each other. And while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who always waits until April 15th to file. 1. Forgetting to report cryptocurrency transactions. Did you buy, sell, or trade crypto? The IRS wants to know. Even if you didn't receive a tax form, you're still required to report it. Ignoring this can lead to audits or penalties. How to avoid it? Track all crypto transactions, including purchases, sales, and trades. Use crypto tax software to generate accurate reports. Consult a tax professional if you're unsure about reporting. 1. Ignoring state taxes. Federal taxes are only part of the game. If you moved states, worked remotely, or had multiple income sources, you might owe state taxes, even if you don't live there anymore. How to avoid it? Check your state's tax laws if you worked in multiple locations. File state tax returns if required, even for remote work. Keep records of where you physically worked throughout the year. Skipping quarterly. Estimated payments, if self-employed. Freelancers, side hustlers, and business owners, this one's for you. If you don't pay estimated taxes throughout the year, you might get slapped with penalties when you file. How to avoid it? Set aside 25 to 30% of earnings for taxes. Pay estimated taxes every quarter: April, June, September, January. Use accounting software to track income and payments. Forgetting to sign your return sounds silly, right? But thousands of tax returns get rejected every year just because they weren't signed. How to avoid it? If filing electronically, use the correct PIN or e-signature. If mailing a paper return, sign and date it before sending. Double-check all forms to avoid unnecessary delays. Conclusion: Keep more of your money. Tax season doesn't have to be a nightmare. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll get your refund faster, keep more money in your pocket, stay out of IRS trouble. Now, here's your final challenge. Before filing, go through this checklist and make sure you haven't made any of these mistakes. Drop a comment below. What's the number one thing you'll do differently this tax season? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs this tax wisdom. Let's all keep more of our hard-earned money. Happy, stress-free filing.